What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see today, I'm picking up RnB, man. I'm picking up RnB. I'm about to go to the shop, go check it out and everything. I don't think it's gonna be exactly done when I get there, but I can at least show y'all and all that. And cause I think they're gonna have to fine tune it, so I'm probably gonna end up coming back home and then going back. Cause like I said, but anyway, man, we finna get the shake rattling and rolling. I hope it don't rain today and all that, so I hope it hold out. So man, y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna check back in. All right, y'all, checking in, man. So made over here the Lawless. Y'all see RnB is done, man. She ready. She is ready. Got new studs. Got new wheel studs in. Good to go. Got peace of mind right there, man. She all ready to go. She all ready to go, man. By now, if you ain't heard this thing, you should have been I went to my wife's channel and heard this thing, man. I should have been I went to her channel and heard it, checked it out, all that good stuff. But she done. All the street cars and fabrication, she is done, man. She run good. Nice and neat. Engine bay nice and neat, man. Fresh. She ready. She ready, man. She is ready. Yes, indeed. This thing here. She runs so good, man. Just like Big Dolo now, man. Just reaching there like this. Well, hit T. Still quiet, man. I like the muffler, man. I like the muffler now. Listen at it. Quiet up here in the front. Running smooth. I finally got that. I finally got me a carburetor stud, y'all. Y'all ain't know that. I finally did that. She running quiet up here. Yes, indeed. I ain't got a chance to test her out yet and lay in her. But I have that coming, y'all. You gotta fine tune and check the timing and all this stuff. But yes, indeed, she done. Quiet too, boy. She ain't leaking nothing, none of that no more. She ain't smoking. Clean bill of health. And she smelling good out here. See it? That Showtime power. Alright, y'all, I told y'all, man, it never fails. Every time I get one of my cars back, that's what it do. No lie. Every time now, it ain't never fail. Every time I get one of my cars back, it raining, man. I tell you what, and then it'll rain for about 3-4 days. Every time I get one of my cars from something major. So, that's what we don't look at police flying, but I tell you. But, getting back to the house, man, I hate it raining stuff. It wasn't raining earlier, but like I said, when I went by there earlier, he had to finish up. You know, he had to fine tune to make sure everything. I'ma holler at y'all about what could be done tuning wise and stuff, and how we got it set and all that. But I'ma holler at y'all when we get to the house and turn y'all on the big camera. I left it in wifey car, but yeah, she ride smooth. She still run cool. Hey man, it's doing what it's supposed to do. She's doing what she's supposed to do. So, like I said, I really don't know what she feel like, cause I ain't got it. Really, did my first drive. Man. I forgot to get the GoPro out, but like I said, I can't really give y'all no reaction, cause I'm just driving normal. So it just ride normal, whatever. But when I get to the house, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, just got back. So I'm driving the car. I'm like, man, it feel like someone was holding the car back. And check this out. I smelt them. Golly, boy, I said, boy, I wish I knew that, man. I would have waited, cause the brakes ain't. Cause when I put the car in gear, I was like, man, it ain't moving nowhere. And this is why. Cause the brakes need to be adjusted out. So I'm gonna have to take that off and do that tomorrow, man. I mean, might well let them cool off at this point, cause I don't know, man. It should be straight though. But I'm gonna cover this thing up. We got RnB all covered up. Y'all see I drove through rain. Then look at this junk here. Look at this junk here. Done drove through rain. And now, but I don't think it done yet. I don't think it done, man. Y'all seen the other day, we got big dolo back mounted up. We fixed the shifting problem with brown coat and all of that. But like I said, man, I have not got a chance to feel what RnB feel like. For one, it was raining. It was pouring raining, storming. It was wet. And for two, even when I goose it a little bit, it feel better. It feel better than the old setup, no doubt. But y'all saw them brakes locked down tight, man. So what I'm feeling, what I just was feeling is with the brakes, the brake was locked down. The brake locked down, man. So I was like, man, now I really want to feel it. Now I really want to see what she feel like. But I'm gonna have to take that wheel off and get the brakes adjusted out. I'm gonna have to adjust the brakes out and stuff, man, cause like I said, that brake, the thing locked down. It locked down tight, man. So I'm gonna have to do that. So like I said, man, it happens or whatever. It happens. I ain't tripping about it. I ain't tripping about it at all, cause stuff happened, man. You know, like I said, I had forgot to do it the other day when I was showing wifey the right and wrong way to do it. And I had forgot to do it. But last time it was the other side. It was the driver's side. Remember, I showed wifey the wrong way to do it, and then she did it. She did this side over here, and I showed the right way to do it. But you know, like I said, it happened, man. It happens. Now I don't have to take the wheel off. I can go through there and adjust it with the screwdriver, but I'm gonna take the wheel off so I can see what it's feeling like and all that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it tomorrow, cause we supposed to have rain the next few days, and I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get to feel what the car feel like, y'all, until the car show call. The car ready to go for the car show, but y'all know I want to test it, man. I want to give y'all a little video too. In the BCG Hangout, you're gonna get some more exclusive stuff on the car. But hell, I don't know what it feel like. But we got a lot of video to make, cause it got the folds on it right now. But y'all do know I want to put them small tire back on it now, since it's new combination and stuff. So I want to put the small tire back on, and it's set super safe too. It is super safe, so it'll still run on 93. Jesse wanted to give it a little more. He was like, man, he want to put a little more timing in there. But y'all know these the Roots blowers, they do create compression. That's why it's good to build your engine lower compression. Unless you're gonna run Soul racing gas all the time or E85 with these Roots blower, you wanna build your engine low compression. You just want to. I mean low. I mean 8 to 1, 8.5 to 1. Cause they make some, the more you spend, the harder you spend these things, the more boost you run, they make some steam. That's why I'm telling y'all the boost is not created equal. Cause I can run 10 up to 15 pounds on pure 93 with John Jones, and the camshaft got something to do with it too. But with this, I ain't running no 10 pounds on no 93. It ain't happen. Even if you can spin that blower hard enough to make 10 pounds, you ain't putting on 93. You ain't doing it. It's gonna detonate. So that's why I was like, man, you gotta keep a handle on it and all that, and it's super safe, so I can continue to put pure 93 in it. But we probably gonna do a video where we take it to the track and then put some timing in it, and I have it on pure racing gas, so it won't be detonating or whatever. And then we'll spin it and turn it a little harder and see what's to it. But you know, right now she's super safe. She is super safe. I don't know what she feel like. I really don't. I don't know what she feel like. I drove it normal. I know it runs normal. It run better. It run better. It quieter. It's just a better running car all the way around, man. It's just crispy. It's crispy all the way around, and you can tell it got a little more even with the brakes grabbing. But I really don't know what she do, cause there's a lot of resistance. There's a lot of friction. So, you know, it like brake. It trying to hold the car back, and I didn't realize something was wrong until I turned in the driveway, and I let my foot off the brake, and the car just sat there. I said, man, I know what this is. When I pulled up, I seen them brakes. I smelled them. I said, man. I told wife, I said, come check this out. I guarantee you, I was telling her, I said, look at this, cause when I showed the brake drum, I put the water on one side, no steam, put it on the other side. Y'all saw it. It just went to boom, boom, boom. But it's all good, man. Like I said, that ain't nothing major. We're gonna get that straight. I got to send a huge shout out to Lawless, man. They went crunch time. They got this junk done, and let me see. Let me think. 1 week. Exactly 1 week time. It wasn't a full 7 days. No, less than that. 5 days. They got it done in 5 days. Yep, I dropped it off. I had dropped it off Monday. Tuesday. They started on a Tuesday. Had the engine out. Just had tore it down and everything. Made the changes. Then it went back in the car the next day, Wednesday. Thursday, what was getting done? It went in there Wednesday, cause they were cleaning up and stuff too. They were cleaning it up. They had no Wednesday. Wednesday they were finished putting it together, putting the engine back together. Then it went in the car that evening, Wednesday evening. Thursday, the rim was tore apart. And then it took time, cause y'all know I had to go to Summit to get the right studs. And they did the brakes and all that Thursday. Friday. Nope, Friday. I don't forgot what they did, man. I don't forgot. I just know they got it done in 5 days. Today wasn't nothing but like a fine tuning day. Today wasn't nothing but a fine tuning day. I know they got it done. That's all. I know that. And that was amazing. There was some amazing work in a short period of time. And it runs great like it's supposed to. It runs like, man. She ain't leaking nothing. It just, she ready now. RnB the total package now. Couldn't be more satisfied, man. Honestly, couldn't be more satisfied. But like I said, all in all, good day, even regardless of the rain and all that. I'm finna get in here, cause I told you I think the storm is not done, so I'm getting here and edit this up and get a little work done and chill with the family. So I appreciate y'all, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.